Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and to a new video where I want to show you how to create miniature Christmas trees. These trees are perfect for exploding boxes as these are 8.5 centimeter. So if you are creating exploding boxes and you don't have the element to put in the middle, that will be perfect. And also they can be used for decorations. So as you can see, I marked 8.5 centimeters starting from the corner on my white card. This is an heavyweight cardstock, and I cut out that triangle with the rounded bottom, and I will start trying to stick it together. So I'm using tape here. It is really helpful, and it doesn't need to be really pretty at that stage because we are going to cover it. So what you want to do really here, just to join the both ends together and just stick it with the tape, or you can use glue. I find the tape much easier. So you've got that cone shaped base for your tree, and for my first tree I'm going to add that rose organza ribbon. And you can add ribbons, you can add lace. There is so many possibilities with these trees. I will have that one with the roses, the other one with the ribbon, and at the end of the video I will have my favorite with the die cut leaves. So stay till the end of the video to see my favorite trees. So with that ribbon, as you can see, I'm attaching it with the hot glue gun, and I just starting from the bottom going up and up round that cone. And then I decided to add more interest to that tree. So I've got the ribbon with twine and with the pearls. It's 3-in-1. So I'm adding that as well, not so heavily as the organza roses, so just few rows of that one. And this will be my first tree. It really takes only a few minutes to do it, and it's really lovely, very shabby chic. So for those who prefer white Christmas projects, that this one will be perfect. And then I'm doing another one. I've got that white ribbon, which is not, it's like how to say, creased, and I even try to crease it more on my tree. And again, I'm starting from the bottom and just going round with it, adding I didn't stick it very tight, as you can see, so some places are quite loose, and it will give me again very shabby chic look, and I think this is really lovely one. And again here I'm going to add some pearls, so it's not so so the tree is not so simple, and it will have something interesting to it. I've got that pearl string, and I will go around with it and just add it, not too many, again only you know, here and there. And last thing which I'm going to add to that tree are those tiny polyballs. It's called artificial snow, which I bought in Range in UK, and every year we've got I've got it in few colors. So I've got white and silver in my stash, and I'm just going to add those silver balls here and there to the tree. So those two trees are the simplest I think you can make, and they look really lovely. If you've got a bit more time, you can try that tree with the die cut leaves. It definitely takes more time to do it, but it's just gorgeous. I just so love it. It's beautiful, and I will do exploding boxes with it soon, so you will be able to see how it looks in the box. So as you can see, I started it already here, and for that tree I used the green paper. And what I'm doing here, I die cut loads of little Christmas leaves. Actually, I punched it because I've got a punch. It's much quicker with the punch, I think. And I'm using the double-sided tape to attach them to my tree. So I just do it like in rows, and I'm starting from the bottom, and then each of the next rows covers like half of the previous one, and I will just move towards the top of my tree. And on the top of the tree I'm going to add a little bit of glue and just few smaller pieces. So what I do, I will just make those leaves shorter, and I will attach few just on the very top of the tree. You may just need to hold it for a few seconds and wait for glue to catch. And then I am lifting those leaves, because while I was making it, I will make it really flat. So I'm trying to lift them just to make my tree look nice and fluffy. And I will add some snow to it. I have that true snow. It's like a paste I bought on a craft show, and it's just lovely because it's very light, and it really looks like a snow. So as you can see, I'm just tapping it here and there on the leaves, and also I am trying to bring those leaves up a little bit more. And then I will sprinkle it with the clear glitter. This is obviously optional. You can do it if you don't like the glitter, you just don't add it. And you can make those trees in different sizes, in different colors. You know, I just so love them. So I really wanted to share those ideas with you. And thank you very much for watching. Please tag me on social media if you will have a chance to create a similar trees, and have a lovely creative day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.